Imagine this. UFO sightings have been reported for centuries. But what if they're not spaceships at all? What if the mysterious objects we've been seeing aren't piloted by aliens themselves, but instead are alien drones? Autonomous probes sent to observe, gather data, and maybe even study us. Just like how NASA sends robotic probes to study distant planets? Maybe their creators are watching from afar, never stepping foot here, just as we operate rovers remotely. If that's true, what if aliens finally reveal themselves? But instead of coming in peace, they arrive with hostile intentions? Could humanity survive? Are we ready to face a truly advanced alien force if they decide to attack? In this video, we'll explore this fascinating hypothetical scenario. How could we survive if aliens came tomorrow to attack Earth? So, let's start from basic. UFOs aren't just a recent phenomenon. The first major sighting in modern history dates back to June 24, 1947, when Kenneth Arnold reported seeing a fleet of unidentified flying objects. This led to the birth of the flying saucer era, which sparked a wave of UFO sightings across the world. Now, the question is, what if aliens finally reveal themselves? But instead of coming in peace, they arrive to invade us? Could humanity survive? Are we ready to face a truly advanced alien force if they decide to attack? How could we survive? What we can do to defend ourselves from this? Even without advanced technology, we can't just give up. It's a do-or-die situation. So, let's start with step by step. Step 1. Assess the threat. We need to assess their capabilities. Are they hostile? What weapons are they using? NASA has already been preparing for unknown threats with its Planetary Defense Coordination Office. While it mainly tracks asteroids, the same systems could monitor alien activity. Experts suggest using Earth's advanced radar, satellites, and communication tech to analyze alien movements and find weaknesses. Step 2. Global coordination. Global unity is key. Fighting an advanced alien force isn't a one-country job. The United Nations, NATO, and other global alliances would need to step up. NASA Administrator Bill Nelson has emphasized the importance of international collaboration for space challenges. This would be the ultimate test of teamwork. Step 3. Exploit weaknesses. Even the most advanced civilizations have weak points. Remember War of the Worlds movie? It was Earth's microbes that brought the aliens down. Scientists like Neil deGrasse Tyson believe that understanding alien biology or tech could reveal critical vulnerabilities. From hacking their systems to weaponizing our environment, finding their Achilles heel would be mission critical. Step 4. Defense and survival. If we can't match their technology, we'll outthink them. Guerrilla tactics, using Earth's terrain to our advantage, and adapting quickly are all strategies supported by military experts. For instance, retired General James Mattis, former U.S. Secretary of Defense, has said, "Victory in war doesn't always depend on superior technology. It's about using what you have more creatively than your adversary." And NASA has also explored survival strategies for extreme scenarios. In a 2018 discussion about planetary defense, NASA's Dr. Thomas Zurbuchen remarked, "Preparedness means anticipating challenges beyond what we've faced before. Underground shelters and self-sustaining systems could ensure humanity's survival in the harshest conditions." From fortified underground bunkers to advanced agricultural techniques for food sustainability, these ideas could serve as a blueprint for surviving an alien assault. So, history has proved that our resilience and adaptability are unmatched. When pushed to the brink, humanity fights back, and often wins. But now I want to ask you, if aliens invaded, How do you think humanity should fight back? What strategies would give us the best chance of survival? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.